From construction and agriculture to manufacturing and transportation, heavy machinery has revolutionized industries and significantly impacted our daily lives. In this video we will showcase insane heavy-duty machines, so let's get started. RTD-12C Sawmill. RTD-12C is a state-of-the-art sawmill operation that has revolutionized the timber industry with its advanced technology and efficient processes. The sawmill is designed to maximize productivity, optimize yield, and ensure sustainability in wood processing. The RTD-12C sawmill incorporates cutting-edge automation and robotics, making it a highly efficient and precise system. It is equipped with sensors, scanners, and sophisticated computer software that work together seamlessly to streamline the entire wood processing operation. One of the key features is its real-time data monitoring and control system. This real-time data is analyzed and utilized to optimize the sawing process, minimize waste, and maximize the quality and value of the final products. The RTD-12C sawmill operation represents a significant advancement in the timber industry. Its cutting-edge technology, real-time data monitoring, and automation capabilities enable enhanced productivity, optimized yield, and sustainable wood processing practices. With its precision cutting, efficient processes, and commitment to environmental stewardship, the RTD-12C sawmill operation sets a new standard for the industry, ensuring a bright future for timber processing. SC400 Stump Grinder. The SC400 is a versatile and powerful model of a professional-grade tool known as a stump grinder. Stump grinders are used in the landscaping and tree care industry to remove tree stumps efficiently and effectively. It is specifically designed to offer high performance and durability, making it a popular choice for professionals in the field. The SC400 stump grinder is equipped with a powerful engine and cutting system, allowing it to tackle stumps of various sizes and hardness. With its powerful engine, cutting system, and user-friendly features, it offers efficient and effective stump grinding capabilities. The SC400 is a popular choice among professionals in landscaping who require a high-performance stump grinder to tackle a wide range of stump removal tasks. GMBH GP4. The GMBH GP4 is a highly advanced and versatile slip-form paver used in the construction industry for concrete paving projects. The GP4 is known for its precision, efficiency, and exceptional paving capabilities. The GP4 is designed to deliver high-quality concrete paving for various applications, including highways, streets, airports, and industrial projects. It offers versatility in terms of paving widths and profiles, allowing contractors to adapt to different project requirements. One of the key features of the GP4 is its sophisticated control system. Contractors appreciate its versatility, productivity, and ease of maintenance, making it a reliable choice for a wide range of construction projects. Subscribe to T4 Tech and press the bell icon to get all the latest updates. Buddy Excavators. One notable innovation that has made a significant impact is the Buddy Excavator. Designed to streamline excavation processes, increase efficiency, and enhance safety, Mule ML150. Mule ML150 is a valuable asset in the construction industry, providing efficient material handling solutions that enhance productivity and streamline operations. The ML150 offers several features and benefits that cater to the unique demands of the construction environment. Its heavy load capacity, maneuverability, versatility, ergonomic operation, and safety features make it a reliable and efficient tool for moving construction materials and equipment. Overrazen UTV175 Plus. The Overrazen UTV175 Plus is a state-of-the-art utility vehicle designed for snow removal and maintenance operations in extreme winter conditions. The UTV175 Plus is built to deliver exceptional performance, reliability, and efficiency in demanding snow management tasks. At the heart of the UTV175 Plus is a powerful engine that provides ample power to tackle heavy snowfalls. With its four-wheel drive capabilities and superior traction, the UTV175 Plus can navigate through deep snow and icy surfaces with ease, ensuring optimal productivity even in the most challenging conditions. One of the standout features of the Overrazen UTV175 Plus is its advanced snow removal equipment. The vehicle is equipped with a front-mounted snowplow blade that efficiently clears snow from roads, parking lots, and other paved surfaces. The blade is adjustable and can be angled to direct snow to the desired location, allowing for precise control over the snow removal process. Subscribe to T4 Tech and press the bell icon to get all the latest updates. Hitachi ZX225. The Hitachi ZX225 is a hydraulic excavator designed and manufactured by Hitachi Construction Machinery. It is part of Hitachi's Zaxi series, which is known for its reliability, performance, and versatility. It offers several features and characteristics that make it a popular choice for various construction and earth-moving applications. The Hitachi ZX225 hydraulic excavator offers powerful performance, versatility, and durability for various construction and earth-moving applications. With its advanced features, operator comfort and safety, and emphasis on efficiency and reliability, the ZX225 is well suited for tackling demanding projects on construction sites. MTM600 Manipulator. The MTM600 transport manipulator is an impressive piece of machinery that has gained significant attention in the field of transportation and logistics. Designed to handle various materials with precision and efficiency, this manipulator is a game changer in the world of material handling. At its core, the MTM600 is a highly adaptable machine that can handle a wide range of objects, from heavy machinery to delicate components. CFA piling. The CFA piling, also known as continuous flight auger piling, is a common method used in construction for creating deep foundation support. It involves drilling a continuous vertical borehole into the ground using a hollow stem auger, and simultaneously injecting concrete into the hole as the auger is extracted. CFA piling is known for its efficiency, speed, and suitability for various soil conditions. One of the primary benefits of CFA piling is its ability to penetrate deep into the ground, reaching the load-bearing strata. By drilling into the more stable layers of soil or rock, CFA piles provide greater structural integrity and support for the building. This is especially important for high-rise structures like lower apartments, which require a reliable foundation to withstand vertical loads and potential lateral forces. Subscribe to T4 Tech and press the bell icon to get all the latest updates. That's all for you. Thank you for watching the video. Make sure to smash the like button and subscribe to our channel. We will meet in the next video.